Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start the Dryland Dragon Boat challenge in Heartopia. So go to the Realmepedia to start the challenge, and you'll see some dragon boats in the central area where all the stores are. And you're just going to start the event. If you are playing with friends, make sure you invite them. It is easier when you're playing with friends because they can help you restore the energy by drumming, essentially. So there are two roles. You can be the rower or the drummer. So here is what the rower looks like. It is a little bit tough to move around, I must say, especially if you're playing on PC. I wish they did it just with the keyboards, but it is a mobile game. So to kind of row around, you have to press either the left paddle or the right paddle. If you click on the left paddle, you'll turn right. If you click on the right, you'll turn left, and that is why it's pretty confusing. And that's also the reason why I can't I can't row boats in most games, because that's just how it works. Basically, you just have to go through the checkpoints until you've reached either your personal goal or your team goals, and your friend will just have to keep playing the drum to give you more energy. If you are playing by yourself, it is very vital that you bring a lot of food in your backpack. But I find it easier if you are playing it with friends. Try inviting other people to join. They might join as a drummer because it is easier. And here is what it looks like if you are the drummer. You just need to press the button every few times and it's going to give energy to your rower. So if you're bad at steering like me, maybe just be the drummer and let your friend be the rower. Again, it is easier if you're on your phone because the buttons are closer together, but if you're on PC or laptop and stuff like that, it is a little bit harder to press those buttons. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!